Hi, welcome to InfoComm 2026. I'm Lisa Kirtley with Total Channel, and we are at the TEG SI Total Channel booth, and we're managing all of the content today. So you see a beautiful Unilumin curved LED screen. So we're managing all the content with that. Total Channel is a content management digital signage solution. So Tom and the crew wanted us to manage all the content on the screens. You can see back here, these two screens are just showing one big image. So Total Channel has a specific product called the Genius Wall that allows you to have multiple walls of content or multiple screens of content all managed with a multi-output video wall processor, custom aspect scaler, and media player all in one box. If we scroll over here, you can see on this beautiful black diamond screen, it's playing content as well, but I actually have the ability with Total Channel to assign content to a screen. So we can do this where you can scan a QR code, you can have a touch tablet. I just happen to have it on my pad here. So I'm gonna go ahead and interrupt the programming and play this little logo. And I've basically, it's hard to tell, but I've triggered content from my phone. And this is, again, just content loaded to the media player, and I can touch a button and change content. So I'll do it again. I'll push a little video here and let us play this video full screen. So it'll interrupt your programming as you see here, and it'll just play this 1 minute video. When it's done, it will go back and play right where you stopped with your content. So for wayfinding applications, a different application where maybe someone's using a touch screen and they come up and find their information when they walk away, it allows them to, program it for after 20 minutes or after 20 seconds. If someone isn't there, it'll just start playing your content again. So Total Channel is a full-scale signage solution, media players, video wall players, IPTV, and it's a really turnkey solution. So every feature you could want, touch integration, content, pre-built templates, emergency alerting, ad tracking, it's all just built in as a turnkey solution. We also include any training that you need and 24/7 phone and internet support. So for more information on Total Channel, you can go to total-channel.com, and thank you.